In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track order on Shein. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in the app to see your order's status, shipping updates, and what each label means, so you're never left guessing. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed into the same account you used when placing the order. If the app asks to update, let it finish. Having the latest version helps the tracking page load correctly. Once the app is open, look for the Me tab on the bottom menu. It usually appears as a person icon on the right side. This is your personal dashboard where all your account details and purchases place them. Tap it to continue. Inside the Me section, find and select My Orders. This page organizes everything you've bought and gives you quick access to current and past orders. If you have multiple orders, you'll see them listed here with order numbers, items, and summaries, making it easy to pick the one you want to check. Choose the order you're curious about and tap to open it, then select Track Your Order. This takes you to the shipment details. If the package is already on its way, you'll typically see a tracking number, the carrier, and a timeline of updates such as when the parcel left the warehouse, arrived at a sorting facility, or is out for delivery. Sometimes carriers take a little while to sync, so if tracking looks blank right after you get a shipping confirmation, give it a bit of time and check again. On this page, you'll also see the order status at a glance. Unpaid means checkout wasn't fully completed, so the order hasn't entered processing yet. Processing indicates the warehouse is preparing your items, packing and quality checks happen here, and tracking won't show movement until it ships. Shipped in confirms your parcel is on the road. You can follow its progress and watch for estimated delivery dates as the carrier scans it along the route. Review appears after delivery, letting you rate your items and share feedback. Return shows up if you've initiated a return. You'll be able to view the return status and any refund updates there. If you don't see an order where you expect it, verify you're viewing the correct account and region in the app and ensure your internet connection is stable. Carrier updates can sometimes take 24 to 48 hours to appear, especially over weekends or holidays. That's all you need to track an order on Shein. Open the app, head to Me, go to My Orders, and use Track Your Order to see real-time updates and clear status labels.